everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Yatharth Tech. Today I will tell you about how to watch YouTube effectively. Well, YouTube is almost everyone's go-to site for videos and people are watching YouTube way more in quarantine across the world. But there are some tips, tricks and shortcuts which can improve your YouTube watching experience and can ease your life a bit. Well, firstly, let me start with shortcuts and features of YouTube itself. Stay tuned because I am gonna give effective watching tips soon. Well, let's search some video first. You might be knowing day-to-day tricks like press F and escape to enter full screen and exit and spacebar and all that, but I am not going to tell you that things. There are a few handy tricks which everyone should know. And the first of most important is how to fast forward and slow down your videos. Well, everyone knows that you can do that in YouTube, but there's a handy shortcut for it. You can press your shift key and right angular bracket or left angular bracket to fast forward it or slow down it. Just like this. So that's pretty cool. Apart from that, if you want to share a video at some particular time, that's also easy. You just can go to share and you can select the time where you want to share it. Like I want to share this video at 1:52 and I can pretty much do it. So that's a really cool trick. What you can also do is that you can also delete the title. Sometimes this title which is present here can hurt our reading experience or viewing experience. So what we can do is that right click on it, inspect, and it will open its code. So what you can do is press delete and exit, and that's pretty much done. You can see the title is gone. So that's also a really cool trick. And also important thing which I like is that you can right click and go to stats for nerds. Well, it's something cool. You can see your connectivity speed, network activity, buffer health and things like that. So that can be useful for you if you wish to. Apart from that, a tip which I want to give you is that many people I have seen use spacebar and arrow keys to move around in video and use spacebar to pause it. But you might have experienced a thing when you touch something, when you are using your arrow key or spacebar, sometimes it's not working, like after changing subtitles or something. So what I am suggesting you is that you can use J, K and L keys. K for pause and play and JK for going 10 seconds behind and forward. So that's also something really cool. So now it is time for the tips which I want to give you. Well, as you can see that many students also use YouTube to learn and study the things. So if you want to study something and make notes of it or something like that, so I will suggest you is that you watch your videos at 2x if you want to revise the subject, and if you want to also make notes, then I think 1.5x can be a good thing. Well, I have studied from many teachers like Razavi and Nizo Academy and foreign authors and many things like that, but I have never experienced that 2x is fast or anything like that. It always works for revision purposes, and 1.5x is just cool for making notes and all that stuff. Well, there are some videos which people usually watch, like what if videos, mysterious interstellar visitor, what if all spiders are killed. So I usually watch it on 2x. That's pretty much it, because it's, fun facts and the knowledge which you want to gain. You can watch also other videos like tech related and things like which give you facts and knowledge. All that can be watched at 2x. That would increase your efficiency. Apart from that, many people just watch fun things and reviews, people catching snakes and people playing board games. So I think that would be fine if you watch it at 1x, because that is made for these things. But there is a thing which you want to watch at less than 1x, and that is Magic by Shin Lim. Haha, you got my point. Yeah. So thanks everyone for watching my video. If you like it, please like it. If you want to subscribe it, please subscribe my channel. And at last I want to give you a bonus thing, that if you are using DuckDuckGo browser like me, you can just press the full stop dot key and Y, and if you will enter it, it will open YouTube. So that's pretty cool trick of DuckDuckGo which I like. You can do it. Thanks.